Hey, YouTube, doing my part to share the knowledge. This is a like $29 USB aux adapter. So it gives you a USB port and an aux line. Came in this box, and here is my 2003 Golf. This is the stock radio. Right, so we've been using the tape adapter forever, which is fine, but we go through them like maybe once a year, and the sound is just like, sometimes you got to push the tape in to like get the full stereo effect. It's just driving me nuts. This is actually a good sound system in this car. So here's all you had to do. Super easy. This car does not have the CD changer in the back. You will see the harness for it is there. Like in the back, there's like in the driver's side rear, there's like the bracket for it, like where you go to get your stuff. Like I keep, I don't know, like a air pump back there now. But basically, all you do is disconnect this connector. I'm not going to do it right now. So this blue connector was in here, right? So you could pop the whole harness out, right? And then to make it easier, or you could just push down on here and pull this blue thing out, push this one in, hook up your ground cable. I'm obviously going to put like a nut on there just to ground it out, but there's other videos of like this setup, but this is the Chinese knockoff version of it. So instead of doing like the $70 deal or like 99 bucks or whatever, this was like 30 bucks direct from China. So it took a little while to come in, but the sound is great. And so here, let me just see. I'll just show you. So, all right. So there's no CD in right now. So let's see if I put this in. Just want to see how this works. All right, so it can still play CDs, but then instead of it saying that there's no disc, it thinks that there's a disc. I guess in the CD changer in the back. I don't know how you would change discs, I guess. Who knows? Because when you push this, when you push CD, right, it just says no CD. And then it just defaults to CD1. And I can change the tracks. That's cute. So it definitely thinks there's a CD player back there. But this aux line, working great. Obviously I can't plug it into my phone right now, but, and then I assume I have full USB power here. It said in the instructions, it's going through and it says that that there is possibility for lightning. What did it call it? I think that's what they call it. Dock. Aux and then lighting. Complete charge compatibility. So who knows how many amps this thing puts out through USB, but you know what? This plastic bezel here, I'm gonna just take, oh yeah, just so you know that this little grommet was on the back there, just pulls out. But yeah, this plastic bezel, I mean, it's got a part number on it. I could get a new one if I had to, but I think I'm gonna like just drill 2 holes and maybe mount the USB port right up there. So it'd be like right on the dash, it'd be like right here, and you could plug your cable in, whatever cable you're using, just right there. And then you'd have the aux line coming out, and we could just hook it up around, you know, the phone mount. But yeah, dude, could not have been easier. I was like, as soon as I heard that aux line was making noise, when I plugged it into the phone, I was like, and the stereo is just super balanced. That was always the problem. It was always a little bit louder on one side. The balance always had to be adjusted. So anyway, that is another